Hey guys, today I'm teaching you why Gmail is still my number one email app in 2025 and why it might be yours too. Gmail stays at the top of my list because it combines a clean, ad-free interface with powerful features like Smart Compose, email scheduling, confidential mode, category tabs, deep Google Works integration, 15 GB of free cloud storage, strong spam filters, mobile optimization, offline access, and advanced search operators, all while staying lightning fast and super reliable. So whether I'm replying to clients, managing projects, or filtering newsletters, Gmail just works better across all my devices. And in 2025, no other email app delivers the same balance of simplicity, speed, and smart features. That's the full review. Gmail still gets the job done right. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fast, honest app reviews.